Oh, it's on. Hello, welcome to Crafting with Katelyn and Daddy.
And Daddy. I'm Daddy.
And I'm Katelyn. And today we're going to be making an apron for all of our ideas.
Yes, this apron's made out of an old pair of jeans and some ribbon. And stay tuned and we'll show you how to do it.
Shoelaces.
Oh, and shoelaces, yeah. Shoelaces, some old jeans, and some hot glue. So stay around and we'll show you how to make one of these aprons. So let's get crafting!
Supplies you'll need for today is hot glue stick, your hot glue gun.
Yeah. You'll need some fabric. We have some old jeans here that are old and worn out, but you can find any type of fabric you can think of.
You'll need ribbon. It can be straps for your shoulders or around your neck. And it can also be decoration, but we're using it for decoration.
Okay.
And then you'll need some string or some shoelaces, but we're using shoelaces to go around our neck instead of the ribbon.
Yep. All right.
And then we'll need Oreo cookies.
Cookies,
for
not a
celebration after.
Or in the middle. All right.
So we'll need to cut the jeans, which we marked where we're gonna cut. So we're gonna cut all the way around to make me the apron. Looks like it's very short.
It does. That's what it is. What we're going to do is we're going to cut this part off, which is going to be the back, okay?
Okay.
So we've deconstructed the jeans. You got the back part here. We cut off the front part, so now you have just this open spot here. We left the belt part. If you want, you can save that for a tie around the waist, but we're actually going to use some ribbon instead. We also have to deal with some things down here, so we're going to fix that too and glue that. So what we need to do next is we need to trim and glue some more.
But it's not a tie that you use around your neck.
Not a tie around the neck. There you go.
Okay.
We need to cut these off.
Okay.
Okay. See, that's way too long. How big is your torso?
My torso? What's that?
This part here. Alright, ready for some hot glue?
Yeah.
We're gonna hot glue this part
We're gonna
together.
hot glue this part together. And we're going to hot glue this part so it sticks right here because this is loose.
That'll connect the top and bottom.
So now we just finished hot gluing that little part. Now it's all hot glued together. We're going to do a little bit more, so there we go. We got it all hot glued together. But now it's time for the straps, and it's time for fashion.
Yeah.
Fashion.
Fashion. We're also going to trim it a little bit too, add a little bit of taper this down here on the top so it'll come to more of a top there, all right? Off camera, we actually took and we measured this up to Katelyn to see how it looked, and we put the diagonal cut here that would fit her just right. And so to copy that, what we're going to do is we're going to fold this over on our seam, just like this, so it's folded. We know our seam is in our center, and we're just going to lay this up here. We're going to cut that the exact same so then both sides will match up. We'll have a nice matching apron.
We're going to go to the neck pieces and then we'll go to the fashion part.
Right. So what we're going to do is going to take your shoestring or your whatever you're going to use, and we're going to glue ours right here on the seam part of our apron. Alright, so here comes Katelyn. Glue right there in that seam part right here. A little bit to hold it down into place to get it in the right spot. And go ahead and press all the way up there. And it's okay to have long pieces on this, all right? You want to leave the string somewhat long to be able to tie it. Strings, all right, now time for ribbon.
Time for fashion. Let's get fashioning.
Okay, so find the middle of your ribbon, and you're going to want to put that in the middle of your apron. That way you have equal parts going both ways, all right? Right. Here you go. Put some hot glue. I'll get started here.
And press it down.
That should be in place. Now I'm going to fold this back here, and you start putting hot glue right along there, all right?
Right
Start
here.
Start here.
So we just did all of the ribbon. Fashion is so good. So we're going to do a big sash right here to make it look cool.
That we would.
I don't really like this.
Why don't we do like a little bit right here?
We're not going to do the sash. We're going to hot glue it like right here and make it look red. Than the other idea. Can you cut it? So now we're done with our apron. This is my outfit. It's got two little pockets right here. It's got the kind of belt thing, and then you got everything tied on the back. And I got socks on.